magnet fishing. Out magnet fishing. There's an electric scooter in there. Try getting it out, not a chance. Don't need them anyway, we've got ours. So we're just making our way down the river, see if we can get anything. He's having a go now, see if we can get it. I think it's made of alilo because you just can't get no connection with it. Yeah, try and get around the front, just over the front wheel, see if it loops round it. Wayne can have them tyres for his scooter. Just absolutely threw it down. This river's rose about a foot in the last 10 minutes. It's still getting higher now. Get back to you if we get it out. Big magnet fishing on this area for 10 minutes. I've got a piece of fencing, some metal bracket, waiting a minute. Now I'm going to look down here, so we're going to hammer this side. I think this side's going to be better, so we're leaving this till last. Got like a little waterfall there, well, say rapids. So we'll hammer that in a minute. So we keep getting these things. Everyone knows what they are. It might be for like the old foundries that used to be down the river. Do you know what I mean? So I'll get back to you if we find something else. I didn't find that. That's beryl. Blood splat. Might be on something here. No. But look at that. Where we are. Fucking beautiful. Up to now, we've got a railing, piece of metal, and a bit of a bar. We thought that was the gun at first, but it's not. Alright, we're doing 5 shots each. That was 4, so this is Wayne's last shot. We'll see what it brings up. On something straight away. You on? Yeah, he's on something here. It's coming loose, isn't it? So we found a technique. You got to tease it out. It's underneath the silt, isn't it? So.
Oh, that's the key, isn't it?
Yeah, you got to tease it out.
Come in, look. Got it. Got it.
You got it? Where is it? Let me have a look.
Fucking hell, guys, what's that?
He's on something here.
I'm not joking. I've got to put effort in that.
Go on, pull it up. Don't lose it.
A fucking pipe wrench or something. Or is it rebar again?
No, I don't know what the fuck that is. That was like a swing arm off a motorbike or something. It's heavy.
It's my shoulder. Fuck. Feel the weight in that?
No, I'm recording you. That's like a World War II fucking gun. See what it is when it gets over. What's that?
Metal.
What is it, love?
Rotten metal. Might have been, I don't know.
It does look like a bit of a swing arm off a motorbike because you got that bit there. You know what I mean? So it'd be sat like that.
That's well in there though.
Yeah, there's some weight to that.
Fucking
Right. My turn. I'll get back to you with my finds. Blood splat.
Yeah, man.
Right, it's gone somewhere here. In a minute, it's 4-3 to me. See if we can put, it looks wrong what he's doing. Ah. Yeah, so this is what he's found. Wayne has found this bar. I don't know what that is. And that. I found this big bar. This bar. This square piece of steel. And a hammerhead. Could have been in a crime. Right, let's get back to see if we ain't got anything. No. Right, let's try again. Oh, next throw, and he's in again. Do you reckon it's the same thing?
I think it's something snagging there, yeah. It's the same area. Just feel like it's got something on it though.
Yeah, it's fuck all on that. I mean, let down. Right, at the minute, it's all gone to shit. Right, there's the river. It's filling up like you wouldn't believe. We're on a bridge with our ski days. We've had to put a tarp up, it's that bad. Wayne's hunkering down in corner. Yeah, this is bad, isn't it? This is like Florida weather, this. Well, honestly, the river's rising like you would not believe. It was half the size of that an hour ago. There's magnet fishing. By the way, Wayne's not won.
Yeah.
Not yet, we're not counting. I've still got 5 goals to go, but we can't do nothing yet. So I'll give it 5 minutes. Look at the state of this. Ruthless. Blood splat. Right, it's just starting to calm down now, but honest to God, what just happened then was biblical. I'm underneath here and I'm soaked. State me pants. But we're in a bridge at the minute, people walking past us thinking we're nuts because we've got this tarp over us. It is what it is.
Yeah, you're only jealous.
Well, that was literally crazy. Look, 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 look. This is on the bridge, right? The river's there. Right, 20 foot below us. And there's more of a river in the bridge. The trains. That was something different, that. Bring on 2027. Everyone knows what's going to happen. Build your shelters. Blood splat. Alright, this is after the fucking storm of the century. Literally a river running over the bridge, but look at this. Blue skies now. I am soaking filthy. Oh, beautiful now. Well, that was something else, that caught us out. Right, let me sort all this gone wrongness and I'll get back to you. Blood splat. Right, I think I've lost this one. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wayne has found 1. There's a snidey one here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9! And he's still having a go now. Are you on? Well, that is the shit we've pulled out of here today. And I mean, we had a shower of all showers a minute ago. This bridge was like a waterfall. I'm not lying to you. So we're gonna have a couple more goals. If not, Wayne's won. What do you say?
Yeah, man.
Let's split. Alright, Wayne's on his last 3 goals. I've got 9 pieces. I swear to God there's some weight in that. And then Wayne's got more pieces, but what he's got, aren't they cute? Little tiny bits. I'll come out with half a car. So I think we're drawing in a minute, so if Wayne pulls something out now in his last 3 goals, he wins. Blood splat. Looks like this is going to be a draw.
Yeah, looking that way.
He's got one more throw after this.
Really looking that way, innit? Hey?
We've done well today. Look at the state of my hands.
Gav?
He's fuck off. He's got some on him.
Well, I've got another goal yet.
Oh, look at that. That means he's won.
I've got another goal yet.
Look at all this. Look at this that's coming in. Is this a sword? That looks like a samurai sword, Wayne. I'm not even lying to you. It actually does. That's a samurai sword.
No, that is an old sword.
Yeah, it's a sword.
An old sword, that, isn't
Samurai sword. Look, you can see where.
it? Yeah,
So that's a blade.
What about? That's the point.
Well, he has to win and find the best bit as well. Piss
There you
take.
go.
Take piss. Wait a minute. Alright, look at this. Best find of the day. The guy's literally found an old samurai sword. Hopefully we can get rid of this bit here, and there should be a name. There's always a name underneath the handle. If it's a true samurai, if it's not, it's just a snide from B&Q. But yes, it's been there for a long time. Well, it's about the right size. It comes to about there. So yeah, and it's still got the pointed end. So I will take this back and clean it up and let you know what happens. And if there's a name underneath there. Wayne won. Just out of, we didn't go for weight, we went for how many pieces you got. I got the better pieces, obviously. No arguments over that. So now, we're going home. I'm going to my house having my tea. Wayne's going home having his tea. So until next time, what's the same, Wayne?
Blood splat.
Blood splat.